Don't upload Cyrillic, Arabic, or Greek PDFs to Claude. It's silently corrupting your data, and you won't even see it in the response. If you're processing invoices, contracts, or supplier docs in any non-Latin script, your accuracy looks fine on the surface, but field level it's broken. Today I'll show you the exact three-step pipeline that took one of my client batches from 71% to 93% field accuracy. Most tutorials test on English PDFs, so this failure mode never shows up. By the end, you'll have working code you can drop into your own ingestion flow. I'm Lazar. I build document automation for SMBs every week. Let's start with the part Claude's docs don't warn you about. Here's the scenario. A small Serbian invoicing business comes to us. They get 50 to 80 supplier PDFs a week, utility bills, vendor invoices, mixed Cyrillic and Latin script. They want Claude to extract vendor name, tax ID, line items, totals, and dump it into their accounting system. Sounds simple. Upload PDF, prompt Claude, get JSON back. The first version we shipped looked great. Spot checked 20 invoices, totals matched, tax IDs matched, dates matched. Push to production. 2 weeks later, the bookkeeper calls. Half the vendor names in the database are wrong. Not missing. Wrong. The vendor Efrasid, not for as Mejero, was showing up as Petrovi. Not Swo was Shayet. Mees. Mees was coming back as Stara Planina with weird hat characters on top. The numbers were perfect, but the names were silently transliterated into garbage Latin. Here's what's actually happening. When you upload a PDF to Claude, it tries to extract the embedded text layer first. That's fast and cheap, but a lot of PDFs, especially ones generated by older accounting software in Serbia, Russia, Greece, the Middle East, embed Cyrillic or Arabic glyphs using custom font encodings that don't map cleanly to Unicode. The PDF text layer says one thing. The visual rendering says another. Claude's extractor falls back to a Latin approximation. You get a response. It looks confident. There's no error. There's no warning. The character corruption is invisible unless you actually read the output in the source language. This is why English-only tutorials never catch it. They test on invoices that round-trip through ASCII, and everything looks fine. Now here's the fix. 3 steps. Step 1. Stop relying on Claude's native PDF parcel for anything non-Latin. Convert each page of the PDF into a PNG image at 200 dpi. In Python, that's the PDF2 image library wrapping Poplar. 1 function call. You get back a list of PIL images, 1 per page. 200 dpi is the sweet spot. 150 starts dropping accuracy on small fonts. 300 doubles your token cost for almost no gain. Step 2. Send those images to Claude's vision endpoint, not the document endpoint. Base 64 encode each PNG. Attach it as an image content block, and prompt Claude to extract structured fields. The key difference is that Vision reads the rendered pixels. It sees the glyph the human sees. It doesn't care what the broken font encoding inside the PDF claims. Cyrillic comes back as Cyrillic. Arabic comes back as Arabic. Step 3, and this is the one most people skip. Force a JSON schema in the response. Define every field you want, mark required ones, and add a confidence score per field. Then validate server-side. If you're processing invoices, contracts, or any documents in a non-English script, and you want this built and integrated into your accounting or CRM stack, that's exactly what we do at BizflowAI.io. See real client pipelines and case studies at BizflowAI.io. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next AI automation breakdown finds you.